Hello everyone, I'm Saurav Rai from the batch of MBA Business Analytics, DSE. I would like to welcome Ayush Saxena sir from Gartner. He's a DSE alumni. Everybody talks about DSE and talks about ROI. But one of the biggest thing about DSE is our alumni base. So welcome sir.
Thank you. So
Sir.
good to be back.
You're welcome sir. So I would like to ask you a few questions sir.
Sure.
So welcome back to DSE first sir. How does it feel to be back to the place where everything started?
Amazing. I mean, it's really amazing. I think I'm short of words, but it's just so nostalgic. It's very emotional.
Of course sir. And what are the changes that you have observed after coming here sir?
I think I would say that I've certainly seen a very different batch quality, honestly, because in our time when we used to join in, I don't think they used to take from the CAT. Now they're taking from the CAT, and I think the average percentiles is also above, between the range of 94 to 97. So I think that definitely, gives you people some sense of the batch quality.
Yes. And reflecting on your time at DSE, what were some of the most valuable experiences or skill you gained at DSE, sir, that have helped in your professional career?
Yes, I think I would say being a part of committees is very important, and being able to get the job done. So I remember at my time I was managing the alumni committee. I think I was a
Wonderful,
convener, yeah, and I did a lot of work in actually creating that database, leveraging social media to create the alumni database. And I think that's where I frankly discovered a little bit about my interest in analytics, which is my full-time career right now.
So, sir, what would be your suggestion as a first batch of MBA Business Analytics to build our database to how to connect with alumni, sir?
I think what is important is that it's your first batch.
Yes,
so I think you're in a good spot, because we in the industry need people to come with specialized analytics background, because in these roles it's difficult to hire a generic MBA person. So you're in a right spot, but what is important is that just keep on learning, be aware of what's happening globally, be aware of different changes, the emerging tech that is coming up, for example GenAI, and do not hesitate in leveraging it appropriately.
And if you're comfortable, sir, would you like to talk to your journey about how it started from here to Gartner, sir?
Yeah, it's a very interesting journey, because when I was in MIB, at that point of time I was MIB, I had absolutely no clue what I have to do in my life. Of course, I had some inclination towards maybe doing analytics, doing research, but it took me some while to reach there. I had to do a lot of sales, pre-sales roles to be able to understand and cement my journey. I joined Gartner in 2015, and that's also an interesting story. I think I totally bombed my interview, but my hiring manager and my leader were kind enough to give me that opportunity, and I think ever since I haven't looked back. I think this organization that I'm a part of is a great organization, and it gives me a lot of freedom to do things my way and to add value with the things that I really like a lot. So, well, that's my journey. It's my message actually to people is that discover your calling. You may not know it right now, but you will discover it in due course of time, and then do not leave any stone unturned to reach excellence with your chosen path.
And so, what advice would you give to the current students looking to make the most out of their time at DSE?
Yeah, just be aware. Skill up, prepare yourself for the industry, because maybe what you're learning here is more theoretical. What you do on the ground is very different from what you learned theoretically. But being aware, do not shy away from accepting emerging technologies, and just get the job done. That's the most underrated skill. If you can get the job done, well, that's what gives you the next opportunity.
Okay, sir. Getting the job done is the most important.
It's the most important thing, and it's a very underrated skill. People don't take it very seriously, but even a small task as basic as punching certain data points, that's where a journey starts.
Yes.
You will punch those data points, get the job done, and then a higher opportunity comes to you.
Yes,
I mean, one misconception that people have, especially a lot of people who pass out from here, is that okay, we're gonna pass out from here and be at the helm. No, that won't happen. You have to start from the scratch, learn, make your way through the mud and through the dust to be in a situation where you can, advise.
So, and what do you think the MBA Business Analytics program could be improved to better prepare students for the demand of the industry? According
Yes.
to you, sir?
I think you guys certainly need to have a course on emerging technologies and practical application of emerging technologies in the business, because business are evolving very fast. We 6 months ago what we were doing, we are not doing that today, and I think 6 months down the line we're going to be doing something very different. So that's the change of pace in a business environment. But if your course isn't directly aligned to it, or if your ability to grab emerging technologies is not as fast, your course's learning agility is not that great, then you may actually
Fall behind.
find it difficult to navigate through the business, specifically in analytics, which is a forever changing field.
And so, how was your interaction with the first batch of MBA BA, sir, at
It was
DSE?
good. Folks asked me really good questions. I'm very impressed by the underlying quality of the batch in terms of their intellect. But I was certainly asked the first batch to take a higher interest in learning new technologies and be more application oriented than be theory oriented.
So, you would suggest to do more projects and things like that?
More projects and have a higher clarity about the work that they are doing, or the
sir.
projects that they are doing.
Okay, sir. And finally, sir, what was your fondest memory of DSE, sir, if you can remember?
So many of them, but my fondest memory are actually of being, I remember the 2011 World Cup.
Yes, sir.
At that time, we had, I think, Mr. Kamal Kant was there. Is he still there? He had set up a projector in our class to watch the India versus Australia match. That is my fondest memory. I don't think it will ever happen in DSC again. But yes, which is why I've always said that while you are guys are in the college, enjoy your time, embrace this culture, because once you hit the ground running, you'll forever miss this.
There's no looking back.
Forever miss this.
As a cricket fan myself, that must be an amazing memory.
I saw India winning here
That must have
in
been
the college.
That must be amazing with your friends and all.
Yeah, thanks to Kamal Khan, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
That was a very insightful lecture, sir. Thank you for the interview, sir. Thank
My
you so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.